Hey, what's up? This is Scott with the Level Up Tuts, and today I'm going to show you how to add Disqus to your Drupal site using the Disqus module and then the service Disqus that they offer. So, I don't know about you, but I've been to a ton of blogs and a ton of websites where they have this commenting system that's really nice and easy. If you click here, it lets you log in with your Twitter, your Facebook, or you can even create a Disqus account and log in, and this system's just really nice. It's become sort of a standard that's nice and easy to use, that people are sort of used to by now. You can upvote and downvote, you can report comments for spam really easily. It's just a really nice thing to add to your website. I like it much more than the built-in Drupal commenting system. So I'm going to show you how to take this and add this into your site. So if you want to go ahead and go to disqus.com, that's disqus.com, and you want to go ahead and first you're going to have to create an account. So go ahead and click sign up. I'm going to log into my account that I've already created, and we can get going from there. Okay, so now that you've logged in, it's going to show you all your sites that you have moderating and stuff like that. This is sort of like a dashboard for your admin. As you can see, I already have a couple sites here. Let's go to our dashboard and let's add a new site. I'm going to add this for my own personal website. So let's click add, and then it's going to ask for the site URL. This is, right now it's a local host. I'm just going to use scotttolinsky.com as the URL because that's what it's going to be. And so we'll just say that's, okay, so that way you can keep it separated from your other sites. I'll click continue, and it's going to ask you where you're using this. And you can see they have plugins for all sorts of different content management systems, all sorts of stuff. You can even use it on something like Blogger or Tumblr. As you can see, Drupal is right here, so we're just going to click Drupal. Okay, and now it's going to tell you exactly what to do. It gives you the link to where the module is. As you can see, it's just a normal Disqus module, and it's going to tell you how to install it in 6 easy steps. So we're going to download this module and we're going to install it into our modules folder. And if you remember, that's in sites, all modules. Just go ahead and grab this and throw it in there. Okay, now let's click out of here. And as you can see, the next step, put it in your site's all modules. Okay, did that. Now we need to enable the module. Let's go to modules. We'll go and look for Disqus. Let's see. Actually, I'm just going to go search for it, Disqus. Okay, we'll enable that. Let's save the configuration. Now it's just going to want us to go to admin settings, Disqus, and it's going to tell you to add your short name. My short name is Scott Tolinsky, so we'll just copy that here. Let's go to configuration, and let's go to Disqus. It's right down here under web services on the right, and we're going to add our short name, Scott Tolinsky. Okay, and let's go back here. It says which nodes do you want Disqus to appear on, and then you can just enable Disqus commenting permissions. Okay, cool. So let's close out of these, and we want these Disqus comments to show up on our articles, which are really our blog posts. And we want to show them in the content area. You could actually choose them to display as a block, and in that case you would have to add the block onto the page that you want to show. So if you chose block, this is just going to create a block, and then you can put it wherever you want. I want it to be in the content area. I just want it to be at the bottom of it. So no big deal. We'll just select content area here. And if, for some reason you wanted it to be at the very top, I can't imagine why. You could, change the weight, but we'll just leave it at 50. So under behavior, it's going to ask for your user API key. You can get yours where it says get yours here. It'll open up in a new tab. For security reasons, I'm just not going to show you what my user API key is, but grab it, and then after that, we can go to advanced. And as you can see, it's asking for a public key and a secret key. These are for some advanced features, but for the most part, you don't need to use them. For right now, we just want the comments to show up, so don't worry about that. We'll just click save here. Okay, so now let's just go to a piece of content, one of our articles. go to just find content and grab one of our articles. Let's see, this test one looks nice. Okay, if you remember this one from before, we have lots of big images. We'll scroll down here, and it actually says it can't connect to our URL. Well, that's because this HTTP local whatever, Disqus is basically looking for our site in our services and saying, oh, this isn't a real site, so we can't find it. So what you're going to have to do is go back to configuration, and then in Disqus, right here, under behavior, you're going to want to click this testing. And this is basically going to put you in developer mode. Since you're working locally, if we save that with a developer and then we refresh our page, let's see, let's refresh this. Okay, here's our Disqus. So let's go to another piece of content that I've already had, and let's just check this out. As you can see, this one's a little bit easier to read, which is why I went here. You can see Disqus shows up. It's no big deal. I can just make a post. Hey, what's up? And it's going to work now because it's not checking to make sure you're at that URL that it told it to be. Of course, when you put your site live or you have it on the internet and it's already live, you're not going to want to use the testing, and it should show up fine. So as you can see, it's pretty painless. It took a couple seconds to install that module, get it going, and I now have Disqus on all of my articles. If I wanted to add Disqus to any of my other node types, it's as easy as just clicking it here, and it's going to show up at the bottom in the content area. If you need it more configurable, you can always have it show up as a block. Okay, well that's how to add the Disqus commenting system to your site or blog using Drupal 7 and the Disqus module. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment on the video, hit us up at Twitter or LevelUpTuts, just let us know what you're thinking. Once again, this is Scott, and thanks for watching. Bye.